To add UPI payment on Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the Wix editor. Navigate to the Accept Payments section, where you can manage your payment options. Click on the Add Payment Method button and select Online Payment from the drop-down menu. Choose the payment provider that supports UPI payments, such as PayU or Razorpay, and click on the Connect button to integrate the payment gateway with your Wix site. You will be redirected to the payment provider's website, where you need to enter your account credentials to authenticate the connection. Once the payment gateway is connected, you need to configure the UPI payment settings. Go to the Payment Methods section and click on the UPI payment option. Select the payment gateway you just connected and choose the UPI payment method. Enter a name for the payment method and set the payment method as active. To test the UPI payment method, go to your Wix site's checkout page and select the UPI payment option. Enter the required details, such as the UPI ID and the payment amount, and complete the payment process. Make sure to test the payment method with a small amount to ensure it is working correctly. It is essential to note that to use UPI payments on Wix, you need to have a business account with the payment provider and comply with their terms and conditions. Additionally, ensure that your Wix site is secure and has an SSL certificate to protect your customers' sensitive information. By following these steps, you can easily add UPI payment on Wix and provide your customers with a convenient and secure payment option. This will enhance the overall shopping experience on your website and increase customer satisfaction.